सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद।
Dawat-e-Islami's publisher. Maktabatul Madina's published renowned book of Shaykh-e-Tariqat, Amir Ahl Sunnat, Damat Barakatuhum al-Aliyah, Laws of Salah, consisting of 302 pages, states on page number 218, with reference of Al-Tabarani fil Awsat, the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam has said, whoever carries the deceased on his shoulder and walks 40 steps, 40 of his major sins will be forgiven.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।